of your family too, right? So what I am trying to tell you, there are a couple of myths which you need to remove. Okay, today the world is looking for skilled people. That I will talk to you in my coming slides. So this is what you will be doing right now. Okay, looking at various newspapers. Okay, Rozgar Samachar agbodu, Inyadar agbodu. So you will be looking at various newspaper cutting where vacancies and things will be looked at. Okay, then why we are talking about GST. Okay, this is one of the slides which I wanted to little bit touch base on. If anybody knows it, okay, I don't want you to unmute yourself and take a trouble. Does anybody in this particular forum who is sitting know when was GST launched? Which year? Because the date is already there. The date is there. Can you just tell me which year GST was launched in India? You can just put it in the chat box. No need not to unmute or whatsoever. Anybody, even if it is wrong, also absolutely fine. Which particular year? Okay, Miss Neha has got the bingo answer. Thank you, Shweta, Triveni, Veena. All right, that was a beautiful answer. 2017 was when GST was launched in our country. That was one of the biggest, what do you call as situation which happened in our country at midnight at 12 o'clock. The parliament was opened and we announced GST. So initially, when it started, there were a lot of teething problems. Okay, but today GST is spread length and breadth of this particular country. Whether you are in Jammu and Kashmir or you are in Kanyakumari or you are in far northeastern or in Gujarat, you cannot escape from GST if you are a businessman or you are a service provider. Okay, there are only two things which today in our country which is happening. Either there are people who are manufacturing things or there are people who are servicing the industry. Everybody comes under the gamut of GST. So today people are looking for accountants who are not just an accountant with a commerce or management degree and a tally or a couple of Microsoft skills. No. Okay. They want to know whether you have got a full-fledged knowledge about it. Okay. When you are asking for, even there are a lot of things. Madam was talking about various skills which Skill University is going to impart you. So we have joined with them, and GST is going to be one of the part which will be taught to you during that course of time. So when you are graduating or when you are completing your course from Skill University, we can bet you, okay, there is no reason why any employer should deny a job to you, right? So this is just an indicative salary which we have put in for all those people who just say that, okay, my degree is enough and things and all. So slowly you may start up with your job with the 10 or 15,000 and maybe end up before the time of retirement, you can earn 50,000. Assumption. That's why I call it as indicative. Today, there are people who are starting salaries in this particular bracket. Starting itself. Akshata madam also just made it very clean and clear. 3 lakh package. Okay, this is the indicative salary of the traditional people, just a degree with no skill sets or whatsoever. Now, when you are going to reach that, God only knows. Because today people are coming looking for jobs with skills, and employers also. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಜಾಬ್ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, they will not say knowledge required, they will always say skills required. So remember, your skills are very, very much important, like the way you have acquired the knowledge of your any degree. I'm not telling that degree is not important. Degree is what you call as a foundation on which you will build your skill, on which you will build your career, right? So this is the same situation which you will be facing in couple of days. Couple of people sitting in front of you asking various questions. That was the interview board. Now you need to decide which particular path you want to take. You want to work on the employment or on the unemployment side. I'm sure nobody wants to go towards unemployment. It's just an indicator. It is you who have to decide. And how you have Skill University is there to help you out along with GST Center to make you a perfect accountant and take you to the next level, right? I was just talking to, I have visited quite a good amount of college, to be very open and frank, here in Bangalore. Tumba colleges open. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕೇಳೋದು ಒಂದೇ, ಸರ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ? So my answer is there is no problem for jobs. Jobs idave. It's not about jobs. The problem in today, what our country is facing is unemployability. Okay, it is not about jobs, it is unemployability. The employers are not in a position to hire you because you lack certain skills, my dear friends. Okay, they are not telling that you don't have knowledge. Knowledge ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, but skills ಇಲ್ಲ. That is the reason. If you look at the slide, every year, this is again an outdated. The numbers are more. Okay, so there are 50 lakh students who are passing out from the colleges, from universities. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ 25 lakhs ಮಾತ್ರ ಜಾಬ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ in the rest 25 because those 25 okay thought that skills are also important ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು during their graduation time or immediately after their graduation within 4 to 6 months they acquired those skills and they were employable. So remember, it's not about the jobs, it's actually the problem is with the skill set. You don't have the skill set, that's why you're not getting the jobs. Don't blame it on either on your college, don't blame it on yourself. Okay, that I did not study well. You have studied well, but only thing you are missing is the skills. Okay, you need to acquire a right skills according to the knowledge what you have. Only then it will be. And there where exactly skill university is playing that key role to help you out to get into that market. Now this is the picture which I am showing you, a latest picture that the skill gap which the country is going to see. Every year graduates ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, but they are not correctly skilled in this kind of industry. Okay, if you look at it, I have put it as MN. MN stands for million. So 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. So let's say your auto and components industry. 35 million andre 35 million into 10 lakh. 350,000 lakhs of jobs are there, but the gap is they don't have that skill set. So our bare skill set ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬಹುದು. But along with that, in auto and mobile industry, there are goods. Okay, they are preparing goods. They are doing services. They also need people who have got expertise in GST. So this is not only pertaining to GST. I am talking that every industry has jobs, but they don't have skilled people to give that job. That's what exactly I am meaning by this particular slide. So now coming on directly to what we are. We have joined our hands with Skill University, okay, and GST Center is a project under an organization called as Teach Group. Okay, this Teach Group, okay, is a organization which is approved by the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India. So why I am telling you that if you are doing this course along with Skill University's financial course, okay, you will be getting a certificate from Government of India that you have completed this particular course. So it's not any local certificates, my dear friend. Okay, it is a Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Ministry approved program. Number 2, like Madam was telling, lot of courses in Skill University have been prepared by chartered accountants. It's the same thing with our GST Center also. This is promoted by the chartered accountants. They have designed, they have developed it. Okay, and the reason why they have done it is like I was asking a question when I was in Global College yesterday. Okay, why a chartered accountant is important? Let me tell you, rather than putting it and making you to come back with the answers. Today, any financial statements, be it education institution, big multinational company, a small scale industry, or a small or a big enterprise, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ನಾವು ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಅದು ಆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ವಂತವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಟೀಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ಸ್. ನಾವು that's where exactly they are looking people like you and all. You BCom ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ tally ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ really good, but a chartered accountant is also looking, do you know anything about GST? Okay, if you yes, then you are the person who will be hired by a chartered. Every month filings are done, every quarterly filings are done, every yearly filings are done. So there is no reason, okay, why a chartered accountant should also say no to you if you have done a course like this. Last but not the least, ನೀವು ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ USP of doing the course of GST Center, or it is called as DGST, Diploma in GST ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ. through skill-led university. Now, this is a basic slide. What normally, even if you go to MNC or LA, what are skills accountants? These are basic requirements. Okay, normal minimum requirements anತಾರೆ. Analytical skills, critical, able to manage budget and finance, good in oral and written communication, business ಬಗ್ಗೆ proficiency ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. These are minimum requirements, right? But when you look at in the long run, there are a couple of other requirements which an accountant needs to have, which I will tell you. Now, when you're looking at this slide on your screen, okay, it conveys two things. There is a person who is driving a car, and there are a lot of signs and symbols and laws at the bottom. So today, what is happening? Ellaru tally ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ everybody goes and does the tally. But do you know where tally is used? Why tally needs to be learned? So here at GST Center and Skill University, we are trying to tell you, learn a software and a ERP along with its requirement in the industry. Okay, don't just learn the driving. ಈಗ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ರೆಡ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಬರ್ಲಿ, ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಬರ್ಲಿ, ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಬರ್ಲಿ, ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬೀನ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್. ಈಗ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನೋ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್. But how that software is going to be used in the real life situation. Because today, ladies and gentlemen, when you sit in front of an interview, okay, they are not asking you, how are you going to do this job or what. They will just keep a real life problem in front of you. Okay, a challenge in front of you. And they'll ask you, how are you going to solve this? Right? So that is what today's smart hiring managers are doing. They want people who have the ability to solve the real life challenges. For example, someone is telling, "Nodi tally ide, ellanu ide, but we are taking so much of time to complete this particular work in a day. Can you tell me how best we can?" So you need to have that, not just by learning ERP skills, but also knowing the rules and the regulations. ಈಗ GSTಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೋಗಿ GST ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂತ್ರೆ ಸಾಲದು. You should know what are the requirements first. Okay, does that particular person fulfills all the requirements, right? So that is what this particular slide is conveying. Now, this is what we were talking. When you are calling yourself as a best accountant, these are the couple of things you should have. More importantly, okay, whether you are an accountant or you are a manager or you are handling finance, whatever you might be, you should have three things. That is ask. You should have abilities to do. Okay, you should have those skills. You not just ability but also skill, and also the knowledge about that particular stuff what you are doing. If you have all three things combined, then there is no reason why you should not be able to execute that particular job. So when you call yourself as a perfect accountant, these are certain things which you should be knowing. Okay, be it your journal entries or raising invoices, getting refunds, anything and everything. This is what a basic employer is looking at when you are going for a job, right? So in detail, you will be studying about all this stuff, right? We at GST Center are presenting this particular slide to you to just tell you that the course has been designed keeping you in mind, right? So you will get the best and you'll get the quality when you are enrolling for this particular course through Skill University. Now, what are you going to get once you enroll for our particular course? Number one, you will be prepared, ready for the industry. Like Madam was talking to you that you will have mock interviews. There's so many things. In a similar way, once you learn this particular course, we will prepare you in such a manner that you are industry ready candidate. It's like ready-made stuff. You're all set. You go for apply for a job. There is no reason why you should not be. Why you should be doing this course? Number one, there will be what do you call it, a confidence level which will increase in, right? And you will become marketable. You will have that academic recognition, plus there is a reputation because you have done a course with two recognized institutions. One is the Ministry of Skill Development, the other one is the National Council for Technology and Training. The third one is not the least, but again it also adds value because you have studied a course which is designed by the chartered accountants. So like rightly I was telling you, today the smart managers are looking for people who can solve the real world problems, right? So our job is to make you not just a person who will earn a certificate, but we want you to become an individual who's ready for the industry, right? So what is this diploma in GST, which we are aligning with Skill University is, this is a program which is for 60 hours online. Okay, it's purely online and you can log in with any device, be it your mobile, laptop, tablet, whatever it is, you can log in through that particular thing. Course period 1 to 3 months, that will be clearly designed by Skill University team, and that is how basically we will be. So you will have a couple of offerings which we will be giving you once you sign up for this particular course. Okay, so this is purely for second and final year students who are into commerce as well as management, right? And you will get a certificate from the GST center also that you have completed the course, and you will also get a certificate from National Council for Technology and Training. Now, what is the different? There are a lot of what you call as coaching places where we can learn GST. Why should I do that particular course? Let me tell you, we have built or we have developed a simulation software. So what are you getting in the package? We are giving you 3 different books. Okay, we are giving you access to something called as a software, and to help you to learn. That is called as learning management software. You will have live classes by chartered accountants and industry experts. Okay, this is what I am talking about. Okay, we have developed a simulation software. This simulation software ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ GST ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ತರದ್ದು we have built a software which is similar like the GST portal. Why we have built that is so that you can practice all those entries, how to make registration, how to get refunds, how to raise invoices, all these things you can learn it on the simulation software. So tomorrow when you go for the job, okay, you should not look at the stars when the person says, okay, nanಗೊಂದು entry ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, you should not look at it because you are live on the GST portal there. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. That is the reason we are giving you this access. Okay, so ಇದು complete ಆಗಿ you can finish it within 3 months. But at the GST center, we are giving you another additional 3 months, okay, for all these softwares. LMS ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, simulation software ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. We have even got Tally Prime. Now ಈಗ Tally regular ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, it's purely for your accounting. But when it comes on to GST entry, that is totally different. So now Tally ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ included ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Okay, not just only theory, but there is a practical application, right? What we have done going forward is, these are a couple of things which we will be sharing once you enroll with Skill University for us. ನಿಮಗೆ GST beginner ಅಂತ we start up, then we take you in the next level, that is intermediate. Along with the beginner as well as intermediate, you will also learn Tally, which means at end of every chapter over in the beginner and intermediate, you will have certain exercises which are related to Tally, okay, which are even related to simulation software. So that is how basically, because why we are talking about this is our directors, okay, who believe that a person is perfect when he practice something. Okay, bari kelod ashte alla, when you practice something, right? So that is how basically this course has been designed, right? So this is a little bit about our directors. Okay, the founder of this particular teach group or GST center is chartered accountant Nathan Lewis. So sir ಸುಮಾರು ಬುಕ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ GST ಮೇಲೆ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, he has got wide experience as far as GST is concerned. Today he is one of the most sought out person when there is workshop to be done on GST, right? So sir is basically based out of Kerala. So when I'm talking about the live classes, you will also have opportunity when sir will also come and address you or take some classes, okay, which are on the complicated sessions of GST and things. Otherwise, the way he has designed the course alla, even arts and science students kuda ee GST course ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. Because as I told you, ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಟ್ಯುಟೋರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ LMS ಜೊತೆ, ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಟ್ಯುಟೋರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಟ್ಯುಟೋರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಟ್ಯುಟೋರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So if you are not interested to read the book, just log into LMS and listen to the videos. Yeah, either way you can understand. So double advantage. Books ide, video tutorials ide, and for a period of 6 months, right? So that is what basically I was talking. That's how he has developed. Now coming to Karnataka, this is Chandrasekharaya sir. Okay, I report to him here in Bangalore. So sir has his own office. Sir kuda nim tarane graduate agru, but after graduation he went and completed his chartered accountancy. No wonder that he could have stopped there, but he understood certain things, that skills not develop one of the important, so he did not stop learning. So he is a live example. Even today also, very recently he completed a skill development program on something called as money laundering, and he keeps on learning. He doesn't stop it, and I recommend that to each one of you. Even I don't. Whenever I get an opportunity to learn some new skill, I get on to that. Don't stop learning at any given point of time. Degree ಮುಗಿತು ಅಂತ ಓದೋದು ನಿಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. Something new you have to learn, right? So he believed, and he went on to earn some professional skills, being in financial accounting ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, system auditing ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, or he is even a certified lead auditor, okay, and an ethical hacker also. He ನಮ್ ತರಾನೇ ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮೊದಲು he worked with under different chartered accountants, and today he has his own firm. ನೀವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ you can visit our firm, which is called as CSG and Associates. So sir is heading that particular, and he is doing auditing for many education institutions, cooperative societies, banks, firms. Every day there are people who come, keep on approaching him, and he has got his own team, okay, who help him out doing this. His signature is very, very important when a company does any particular balance sheet. Adana declare madbekandre your signature beke beku. Not just him, I'm talking about chartered accountants. That is the reason they know what a student should know when he is studying this particular stuff. And he joined hands with Nason sir, thinking that Namma Karnatakadalli I have to bring this particular program. And today he is associated with the Skill University CEO Sri Siddhu Hiremat our jote join agi. We are promoting this particular thing even in the North Karnataka region also, so that you should not be left out. Why should you not get to this opportunity? Sir kuda Dharwad University alle graduation complete made. So he thought about it, and he has brought this to you through Skill University, right? So what are you going to get in nutshell? Okay, you will have live sessions from chartered accountants. Morning and evening batches go live batches. This is only for 21 days, and there is a reason behind 21 days matra anta. After that you are on your own. You can study on your own. Next 3 to 4 months you can aram se do it. These 21 sessions are totally live. So you will have 2 batches. Belage one batch ide, sayankala one. Whichever batch you would like to, you can join that, right? And what are you going to listen in this session? If you have doubts, you can get it clarified. Okay, we'll have live classes, live demonstration. There will be interaction. Suppose on case study ಮೇಲೆ ಇದಾಗಬಹುದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಸಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಅದರದ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. Which means you are getting books, you are getting video tutorials, you are getting LMS, okay, you are getting simulation software, you are getting live classes. It's a full package which nobody else is offering to, right? So with that particular note, okay, I come to an end because there are a lot of other slides which we'll be talking to about this thing. But just to touch base, why we are recommending this? Because you can learn it anytime, anywhere. There is no specific time that you have to sit in front of the system. Other than the live classes, 21 dina, okay, adu bitre you can learn this whole course anytime, anywhere. Tutorials ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಂಗಿದಾವೆ. There are self-examination things which you can learn. Okay, access anywhere. Okay, recorded video tutorials ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಾಯ್ತು. 6 months access ಅಂತ already ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, right? Now this is the simulation software which I told you. Just an example ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ ಕಳ್ಸಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವು ಜನ. If it is a professional driving school, they should have the simulation software so that it removes that fear. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ರೋಡ್ ತರ ಅಥವಾ ಗಾಡಿಗಳು ಬರಂಗೆ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆ ಫಿಯರ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವೀಲ್ಸ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಸಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್. GST ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಡಿಟ್ಟೋ ಇದೆ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ಫೈಲಿಂಗ್, ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್, ರೀಫಂಡ್ಸ್, ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಏನೇನಿದೆ GST ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಬಹುದು, ರೈಟ್? As I told you, we believe in learning by doing. Just ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, you have to practice it. I am sure you had some good sessions when you are in college as far as practicals were concerned. Okay, it's not just you, across the whole world, lot of people were not able to go to college because of COVID. But you had that particular time, okay, you had that resource. Even if you don't have resources, you have to find it and acquire it. That is how basically it is done. So this is what I told you, when you learn the simulation software, what are the things you will be able to do it, right? So these are the certificates, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, which I am talking about it. Ee certificate ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. So we are not just talking in the air, we are giving you certificate which clearly says the institute approved by the Ministry of Skill Development, Entrepreneurship, Government of India. And also let me tell you, GST Center is a ISO certified company. So ISO certification just easiಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So once you complete, you will certainly get a certificate like this, okay? And next one ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, this is the certificate which I am talking, an examination conducted by an autonomous organization recognized by Government of India, New Delhi. So National Council for Technology of Training, ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎನ್ರೋಲ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 2 examinations. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಂತ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 3 attempts ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 4-5 years ಇಂದ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ನಾಟ್ ಇವನ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಆಸ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ you will aramse be able to crack these exams. That should not be an issue at all for you, right? So this is one part which I want to speak and stop at this. Okay, ನೀವು ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ there is one more advantage for you. It's completely out of Skill University and GST Center, but ಈ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅವರು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ GST ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಷನರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ನೆನಪಿರ್ಲಿ, ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇದು, ನಾವ್ಯಾರು ಇದು ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಏನಿದು GST ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಷನರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಯು ಪಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ that you are eligible to file returns, to register companies, to get refund from to people. Okay, so if you pass this exam, you will have this certificate where you can tell people if anybody is having problem, even small to small establishment, ನಿಮ್ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಇರೋ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಮುಂಗಟ್ಟುಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇ GST ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, there is absolutely no reason why nobody will come and help you or seek your help. ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿನ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 4,000 to 5,000 rupees GST ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ದಟ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, by completing this particular course, you will get only this certificate, which is valid when you go for the jobs and things on. People will feel that okay, you know about GST. But idu madodrinda enagutte, you will become a full-fledged GST person, right? So choice is yours. If you want to go a step ahead, this is not under our control. But why are we talking about it here is, this is an exam on GST, okay? And whatever we are doing in this particular curriculum, whatever we spoke, okay, all these things, the intermediate aito, tally aito, idaito, all these things are the questions which will appear in this particular exam. So there is no reason why you should not attempt for this exam also. Along with your day-to-day job, you can become a practitioner also, if your employer allows you to do the second jobs or whatever it is, right? There are a lot of students, I am telling you, who have passed this exam, okay, who have become entrepreneur on their self. Today they are helping ಅವ್ರು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 10-20 ಅಂಗಡಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಟೈಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಅವರೇ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ಲಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಹೋಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್, ರೈಟ್? So with that particular note, I would like to end my presentation. Okay, so I hand it over to Akshata madam from here. So in case you have any questions, feel free to put it in the chat box. I'll be more than happy to answer.
Sir, I would like to add a note on your this thing here. Our FPAT, my dear student, our FPAT, that is Foundation of Practical Accounting and Taxation, totally will be offline, and with the collaboration with GST center, that is diploma in GST, will be totally online. Simultaneously, you'll be learning here offline with online with lot of skills, that too practical skills, accounting, technical skills, and taxation skills with 100% placement and cashback. If you are having any doubts about placements or cashback something, you can ask me freely, and you can even ask your own friend, that is Sonal, who is presently studying with us. You can ask about her feedback and everything. Sonal, can you speak, please?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Hello, guys. I would say that Skill Adversity is the best practical training institute where I have seen many students getting placed in MNCs and top reputed companies. The course, what they offer is very practical. There are theoretical topics which we learn in BCom degree, which we learn through books. But comparatively, practical is something what it's very different. So I think Skill Adversity is giving us all the practical training where they give us real life examples like मतलब कुछ भी एंट्री डाल दो ऐसा नहीं रहेगा इधर. They give us real life examples, and I would definitely recommend to join Skill Adversity because for the better future and the best future, this is the best institute. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Sonal. What Sonal mean is whatever the data we are taking here for the preparation of Tally, Prime, IT, and TDS return filings are totally real data. Not any XYZ company limited, not any ABC company limited. So that's the reason I would like to tell you, we are making you people professional, in the sense wherever you go, you don't need any other training except FPAT. If you all of you people, you might have studied theory, everything, but the thing what we are providing is the totally legal and real data. If you are having any doubts regarding placements, you can ask me, like companies and all, you can ask me. Anybody?
Ms. Akshata,
Yes, sir.
I think we do have my director Chandru sir also online.
Okay.
Maybe just let me check if sir, very good evening. Shivamurthy here. Sir, can you hear us? I think you are on mute.
I think sir is on mute.
Hello. So we're not able to hear you. Can you just log off and log in again, sir? We'll be more than happy to hear your thoughts on this particular course. Yeah, Akshata madam, please continue. Let sir join back.
Yes, sir. Anybody is having doubts? If you can ask me regarding placements, cashback, which type of companies we are providing placements. Don't you have any doubts, guys?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Nitin, tell me.
Ma'am, what type of companies you will get for placement?
Yes, those are totally corporate and MNC companies like Infosys, Accenture, JP Morgan, HP, Dell, these types of companies with a reputed designation like accounting supervisor, which is totally concerned with accounting, not any sales, marketing, call center, data entry job. I'm again telling you, not any sales kind of, marketing kind of, and data entry kind of jobs. It is totally concerned with accounting and taxation jobs.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Anybody else?
Just 1 second. Let me check with sir. Sir, can you hear us?
Yes, sir.
All right. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, I was talking about C.A. Chandrasekharaya. So, sir is basically from Karnataka, and he is the one who has brought this GST Center program or the diploma in GST. So, sir, if you could just speak a couple of words for the students in this forum.
Good evening, everybody, students. And it's really a happy moment, and I really thank HG University for organizing such a wonderful seminar. And Shrimurthy has explained very well regarding the course contents and details. What you students will be GST diploma in GST course. And one thing I just want to tell you seriously is that once you reach out for a job, in whichever company you go or whichever path you look at, they'll be looking for specific skills to get the job done. So whether you join as an accountant or else you want to start your own business, what happens here is GST is one important knowledge which anyone should have. So here we have designed this course in a such a way that
So your voice is breaking.
am I audible?
Yeah, go ahead.
See, in our DGST course, we have designed it in such a way that the students will not only get knowledge, but also he'll be skilled with the filing skills, where he will be able to do the registration job or a return filing job or payment of GST or e-way bill generation or making an entry even in Tally. So all these have been designed and imparted in our DGST course. So you can be rest assured that we are giving you the best course in India. That's what is a commitment from my side. And if you have any queries regarding the course or content or we are open for it. You can just shoot out the queries if you students have any.
Sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Madam Akshata, we are done. If anybody has any questions or things at all, we'll be more than happy to answer.
Yes,
As
sir,
far
sure.
as because both me and Akshata madam are open here, so we are looking forward. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಏನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದ್ರು ಅದು it might
Yes,
be even
yes.
silliest to silly question. Don't worry about it.
First,
Feel free to ask. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ when you ask only you will get your doubts clarified. Okay, don't feel it that it is one of ಇದೇ silly question ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳೋದು ಹಂಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. Okay, we are here to help you. Okay, it was my pleasure being with Skill University. Yesterday I was in Hubli. 2 ದಿನ ಹುಬ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ. Okay, I have got an opportunity to meet there, and I should, along with Skill University, it should not be, it will be wrong on my part if I don't thank Patil sir, okay, who gave us this particular opportunity. Okay, and thank you, sir.
Thank you,
It's
sir.
been a pleasure meeting you in person yesterday.
Welcome,
Okay,
sir.
and
Welcome.
today also giving us this opportunity. And I thank Hiremat sir, okay, who created this platform to reach each one of you. So ಈ ತರ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಭಾರಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್, ಓಕೆ, and so that we will be able to answer those particular questions to you. So Gautam has put one thing, fee structure. I think, madam, you would like to answer that?
Yes, yes, sure. For global students, we have set different fees. So I would like to invite all the students to our office, that is our institute, to have a look and to take career counseling. And in that only we'll explain each and everything, including fees, including GST kit, and whatever the things we are providing to the students. Especially global students, we have tied up with the global student, and as a placement officer, Shiogi sir helped a lot in whatever doubts you are having, and whatever the things you need, that is contact number and brochures and all, you can contact Shiogi Patil sir. He'll help you out to reach our office. Okay, again I would like to text our number. So if I'll message you, you people can take our number, okay, and you can contact to this number and even visit our office, which is located up